So let me show you how bright this panel is. I'm gonna take a step back, so let my camera expose correctly. The light is actually very even. It's very nice. The entire construction is actually pretty awesome. It's actually very solid. I'm gonna show you the wiring backing in a little bit. And you also have several different mounting methods here. You can use a cable, you can use the chain, which the kit actually comes with 2 hangers in the back. So you can just hang it on the back of the panel. It's pretty easy. It comes with chains as well. Or you can simply do surface mounting with the pre-existing attachments. So right now I just simply used zip ties to secure it just to show you. This is where the hanging hardware would attach, and over here is the wiring. So a lot of people is confused how this is hooked up, so I'm going to show you how I wired it. I simply have this hooked up to a power cord, 110 volt, coming over here, and there are 3 wires coming out, obviously a ground, which is the green wire here, and the power is coming through the black and white wire, which are hooked up to dimmer switch. But this is what you don't want to do, because this dimmer switch actually does not support a dimming feature for this panel. What you need is a different switch that supports a 10 volt dimmer that is separate from the LED power supply. So this is something that you don't want to use. So as you see, I have a common wire that is not hooked up, so that's why the dimmer switch actually isn't working. Okay. So coming back here, you have the power, black and white, and the green wire is the ground. And you also have 2 different sets of wires, gray and purple, and it's actually marked very clearly. You have to connect these to a 10 volt dimmer, plus and minus. And if you have the correct switch, you should be able to simply plug in the gray and the purple 10 volt wire and connect that directly from here to the switch itself. Then you should be able to use the dimming feature pretty easily. And over in the front, you will see a very nice LED pattern there. And that gives you a very even lighting look, just like this. And for comparison, I actually just turned on my warehouse lights, and these are simply neons. And let me try to get the exposure just to compare from here to that. And as you can see, this panel is actually quite a lot brighter. So my plan is to actually replace this one and hook it up over here so I can use it for my studio setup. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so I can't really wait to get this all hooked up and set up for my studio, because